So today topic is theorems of Boolean algebra. So in this we have De Morgan's theorems. De Morgan's theorems. So these theorems we can write So these are the De Morgan's theorems in Boolean algebra. So how to read this one? A plus B whole complement or A plus B whole bar equal to A bar dot B bar. And second one, A dot B whole complement equal to A complement plus B complement. Or we can also read it as A dot B whole complement equal to A complement plus B complement. For this, fundamentals of Boolean algebra. So fundamentals of Boolean algebra. So first one, A plus 0 equal to A. A plus 0 equal to A. So suppose for example, if A equal to 1, if A equal to 1, A plus 0 means 1 plus 0, we get 1. So what we taking as A, that we get the answer. If A equal to 1, we get the answer is A, that is 1. If A equal to 0, so 0 plus 0 equal to 0. What we taking A, that will get answer A. These two are possibilities. These two are possibilities. If A equal to 1, if A is either A or 0. One dot A equal to again A. So if A equal to 0, 1 dot 0. So what is the 1 dot 0 value? 0. If A equal to 1, 1 dot 1 equal to 1. Here what is the A? 0. Here also 0. Here A equal to 1. Substitute this value in A place. We get A value same. If A equal to 1, then A bar equal to 0. A bar equal to 0 or A complement equal to 0. A plus A equal to A. A plus A equal to A. A dot A equal to A. And A dot 0 equal to 0. So fundamentals of Boolean algebra. Next, De Morgan's theorems. De Morgan's theorems. De Morgan's theorems are De Morgan's laws. So here we have theorem 1, theorem 2. Theorem 1, theorem 2. Or we can also call it as De Morgan's laws. First law and second law. So first one, a plus b whole complement equal to a complement dot b complement. This is theorem 1. This is theorem 1. De Morgan's first law. De Morgan's first law we can written as a plus b whole complement equal to a complement dot b complement, or a plus b whole bar equal to a bar dot b bar. The complement of derivation, the complement of sum of two or more variables. Two or more variables. The complement of sum of two or more variables equal to the product of the complement of the complement of the variables. So this derivation, the complement of sum of two or more variables equal to the product of the complement of the variables. AB inputs. Already we know that NAND gate output, NOR gate output, AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. So here what is the output? Y equal to A plus B complement. So here first A complement, B complement. First you take NOT gates. So if A is input, here B is input. A complement, here B complement. So dot. In AND gate output is dot. So here A comma B are inputs. A complement. What is the NOT gate output? A complement. Here also NOT gate output is B complement. This is AND gate. So AND gate inputs A complement, B complement. We get Y equal to A complement and B complement. So this is the De Morgan's first law or De Morgan's theorem 1. So how to define first law? The complement of sum of two or more variables equal to the product of the complement of the variables. Next, theorem proof. Theorem proof. So what are the possibilities of A and B? A and B in 0 0 condition and 0 0 comma 0 condition, 0 comma 1 condition, 1 comma 0 condition and 1 comma 1 condition. So these are the four cases. These are the four cases. Case 1. In case 1. So what is the first law? A plus B whole complement equal to A complement dot B complement. A plus B whole complement equal to A complement dot B complement. If A equal to 0, comma B equal to 0, A equal to 0, comma B equal to 0. So this is right side, this is left side. So left side, I am taking first left side. A plus B whole complement equal to A plus B whole complement equal to 0 plus 0 complement. 0 plus 0 complement. We get 0 plus 0, 0 complement. We get 1. In right side, A complement dot B complement. So 0 complement dot 0 complement. That means 0 complement we get 1. Again 0 complement we get 1. 1 dot 1, 1. So left side equal to right side. This is case 1. Okay. Next case 2. In case 2, if A equal to 0, comma B equal to 1. If A equal to 0, comma B equal to 1. So left side, A plus B whole complement, A plus B whole complement equal to 0 plus 1 whole complement. So what is the 0 plus 1 value? 1 complement equal to 1 complement means 0. Next right side, A complement dot B complement. That means A complement means 0 complement dot B complement means 1 complement. So 0 complement we get 1, 1 complement 0, 1 dot 0, 0. So left side equal to right side. So case 2 also left side equal to right side. Next case 3 or condition 3. So in case 3, if A equal to 1, B equal to 0. A equal to 1, B equal to 0. Left side, A plus B whole complement. So 1 plus 0 whole complement equal to, what is the 1 plus 0 value? 1 complement equal to 0. So 1 complement equal to 0. So right side, A complement dot B complement. A complement dot B complement. So A means 1 complement dot B means 0 complement. 1 complement 0 dot 0 complement means 1. 0 dot 1 0. We can write left hand side equal to right hand side. So next last case. What is the last case? If two inputs A equal to 1 and B equal to 1. Case 4, last one. If A equal to 1, B equal to 1. So left hand side, A plus B whole complement. A plus B whole complement means 1 plus 1 whole complement. 1 plus 1 whole complement. So what is the 1 plus 1 value? 1. 1 complement. 1 complement value 0. Next, right side. A complement or B complement. A complement dot B complement. So what is the A complement? 1 complement dot B means 1 complement. 1 complement is 0 dot 1 complement 0, 0 dot 0, 0. So in case 4 also, left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay. In 4 cases, left side equal to, we get right side. From these 4 cases, we can say that first law is proved. Or De Morgan's first theorem is proved. A equal to 0, comma, B equal to 0. A plus B whole complement equal to A complement dot B complement equal to, we get value is 1. And if A equal to 0, comma, B equal to 1, A plus B whole complement equal to A complement dot B complement 0. Next, A equal to 1, comma, B equal to 0, A plus B whole complement equal to A complement dot B complement equal to again 0. If A equal to 1, B equal to 1. A plus B whole complement equal to A complement dot B complement, so 0. Hence, the De Morgan's first theorem or theorem 1 proved. Okay. Next, De Morgan's theorem 2 or second law or De Morgan's second law. A dot B whole complement equal to A dot B whole complement equal to A complement plus B complement. A complement plus B complement. The complement of the complement of product of the complement of product of the complement of product of two or more variables is equal to the complements of the variables, so equal to the sum of the complements of the variables. The complement of the product of two or more variables is equal to the sum of the sum means plus sum of the complements of the two variables, that variables. So in this also we have four cases. In this also we have four cases. The cases are if a equal to 0 comma b equal to 0 and a equal to 0 comma b equal to 1, a equal to 1 comma b equal to 0, a equal to 1, b equal to 1. A dot b whole complement equal to a complement plus b complement. Case 1. So in case 1, a equal to 0 comma b equal to 0. So this is the left side. A dot b whole complement. That means 0 dot 0 whole complement. So 0 dot 0, 0 complement. 0 complement will give one value. Next, right side. 1 complement plus 0 complement plus 0 complement, that is, what is the right hand side? A complement plus b complement. 0 complement plus 0 complement. 0 complement means 1 plus 0 complement means 1. 1 plus 1 value 1. Next, in case 2. So in case 1, if two inputs are a equal to 0, b equal to 0, so a dot b complement whole complement equal to a complement dot b complement is correct. In case 2, if a equal to 0, b equal to 1. A dot b whole complement. A dot b whole complement. A 0 dot 1 complement. 0 dot 1 whole complement. So what is the 0 dot 1 value? 0 complement. So 0 complement means 1. And next, what is the right hand side? A complement plus b complement. 0 complement plus 1 complement. 0 complement means 1 plus 1 complement 0. 1 plus 0, 1. This is for case 2. In case 2 also, when the inputs a equal to 0, b equal to 1, we get a dot b whole complement equal to a complement plus b complement equal to 1. In case 3, A equal to 1, B equal to 0. A input is 1 condition and B input is in 0 condition. So what is the left side? A dot B whole complement. A dot B whole complement. That means 1 dot 0 whole complement. 1 dot 0 whole complement. So what is the 1 dot 0 value? 1. 1 dot 0 value 1. 1 complement. Sorry. 1 dot 0 0 complement. We get 0 complement means 1. 1 dot 0 value 0. 0 complement. 0 complement will give 1 value. So right hand side. A complement plus B complement. 1 complement plus 0 complement. What is the 1 complement? 0 plus 0 complement 1. So 0 plus 1, 1. So in this case also we can write left hand side equal to right hand side. Last case. In case 4, A equal to 1, B equal to 1. If A equal to 1, B equal to 1. Both the inputs in one condition. So left hand side A dot B whole complement. A dot B whole complement means A is 1. 1 dot B is 1. 1 dot 1 whole complement. So what is the 1 dot 1 value? 1 complement. 1 complement means 0. Next, right side. What is the right side? A complement dot B complement. That means 1 complement dot 1 complement. 1 complement 0 dot 1 complement 0, 0 dot 0, 0. So in this case also we can write left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay. So A equal to 0, comma B equal to 0. A dot B whole complement equal to A complement plus B complement equal to 1. Next, A equal to 0, comma B equal to 1. A dot B whole complement equal to A complement plus B complement equal to 1. If A equal to 1 comma B equal to 0, A equal to 1 comma B equal to 0, from theorem A dot B whole complement equal to A complement plus B complement equal to 1. Next, A equal to 1, B equal to 1. A equal to 1, B equal to 1. A dot B whole complement equal to A complement plus B complement 0. So in 4 cases, this law values equal. Next, symbolic representation of second law. So symbolic representation of De Morgan's second law. Symbolic representation of De Morgan's second law. If A comma B are two inputs, if A comma B are two inputs, then we get the output y equal to A dot B whole complement. A dot B whole complement. So from definition, this will be equal to A complement plus B complement. So here A comma B inputs. A comma B inputs. This is NOT gate. In NOT gate, we get output A complement. Here A complement. This is B input. Here B complement. These two inputs connected to OR gate inputs. In OR gate output, A plus B is the output. Here we have A complement, B complement. We get the output y equal to A complement plus B complement. So this is the definition symbolic representation of second derivation. So from four cases, this value will equal. From that we can say that hence the theorem is proved. Hence the theorem is proved. These two are De Morgan's laws or De Morgan's theorems. So theorem 1 and theorem 2. Theorem 1 and theorem 2. So in theorem 1, A plus B whole complement equal to A complement dot B complement. Theorem 2, A dot B whole complement equal to A complement plus B complement. How to derive this one? The complement of sum of two or more variables. The complement of sum means plus, sum of two or more variables is equal to the product of the two complement variables. The product of the two complement of variables. The complement of sum of two or more variables is equal to the product of the complement of the variables. This is first one. And second one, the complement of product of two or more variables is equal to the sum of the complement of variables. This is the definition. This is the mathematical representation. Okay. So what is the second law? The complement of product of two or more variables is equal to the sum of the complement of the variables. A plus B whole complement equal to A complement plus B complement, and second one, A dot B whole complement equal to A complement plus B complement. Here we have first one, symbolic representation. So A, B inputs. What is the output? A plus B whole complement. This one equal to A complement dot B complement. A, B. So here we have dot. Dot means indicate. A complement, B complement. Here A complement dot B complement. Here output is A plus B whole complement. Here output is A complement dot B complement. Next for second, this one. AB inputs, we get output A dot B whole complement. Here A, here B. A complement, B complement, OR gate, we get output A complement plus B complement. In OR gate, output is A plus B. So these are the De Morgan's theorems. De Morgan's theorems. First one, second one. So symbolic representations and mathematical derivation and proofs. In 4 cases, we have to prove this one, this condition. In 4 cases, prove this condition. So what are the 4 cases? Both the inputs in 0 condition. That means A equal to 0, comma B equal to 0. And in second case, we take A equal to 0, comma B equal to 1. In third case, A equal to 1, comma B equal to 0. So in fourth case, A equal to 1 and B equal to 1. Both the inputs in high condition. So already we see that this condition and this condition in 4 cases. In 4 cases. From that cases, we can say that so theorem 1 is proved and theorem 2 is proved. So this is about De Morgan's theorems or De Morgan's laws.